Welcome to the 5-day bootcamp. I'm so happy that you're here. You will receive an email with a video every day for the next 5 days, and you will get access to the Facebook group. The Facebook group is a safe place where you can ask questions and you can introduce yourself. And when this course is finished, you will have full access to my membership site, so you can watch the education anytime you want. So let's dive into the content. So let's get started on the 5-day bootcamp. You will learn how to create a converting landing page with the right structure in less than 15 minutes. And what will you learn in the 5 days? Well, day 1, you will learn the 3 reasons why you need a landing page to sell your offer and what type of landing page you need. Is it a long or is it a short landing page? Day 2, we will make a step-by-step on the short form. On day 3, we will take a step-by-step on the long form. And day 4, we will talk about why your landing page needs to be responsive. And day 5, you will get 7 tips to make your landing page high converting. So, the top 3 reasons why you need a landing page to sell your offer. Number 1 is, a landing page converts more traffic because they are focused on one call to action. The limited navigation and the simplicity keeps the visitor focused on the goal rather than being distracted by multiple links that take them away from the page. And number 3 is, the human attention span is really, really short. It's shorter than a goldfish. So the things you have on a page, the more confusing it can be. So it needs to be simple. So why do you need a short landing page? Well, a short landing page is great if people already know what they're looking for. And your page presents the exact solution without flutter. It can help to increase conversions if it's to convince the person to take action. So it's simple and short. And why should you choose a long form landing page? Well, a long landing page invites people to read more about your service, and they can be really, really great if they are made the right way. But if they are made the wrong way, it's just a lot of text and people will really run away from your long form landing page. They take up more place and they really can confuse people if they're not made right. And I will show you some examples on a long form later. So why should you listen to me? Well, I have more than 20 years experience with marketing and sales. I have a proven system that works for most people, and I made all the stupid mistakes, so maybe you don't have to. I help social media beginners in the right direction, and I love to help people with a lot of energy. So let's talk about the landing page setup. This is only an example. It can be anything else than this, but this is an example for my system. So the landing page the setup is, on the left side you have all your social media. So that drives traffic to your landing page, which gives you a lead. And a lead is not a sale, it's just a person that has shown some interest. You drive into a webinar like you are now. You are on a webinar or a bootcamp, and you book a call with them. And the call, well, it gives you a yes or a no. So it gives you a sale, or if it does give you a sale, you have the possibility to email automation. That means when you have a lead, you can send them emails that explains a lot about who you are, what you offer, and the things you can provide to them. So that is a landing page setup shown from my side. But let's make it more simple. You have your social media that gives you lead generation. Then you have your landing page, and then people can book a call. And on that call, it's very important that you listen actively, you ask open questions, you help them, you give advice, and if they want to, only if they want to and are open to it, you can present your high ticket program. So that is the simple explainer on how to use your landing page. And it's very important when you have your social setup, your social media setup, that you link to all the things. As you can see here, I have the same link on all my social media platforms. So that was lesson 1. I hope you had some value from this. And your task right now is present yourself in the Facebook group with a picture of yourself. Tell us who you are, where do you come from, what do you dream of? And number 2 is you might want to think now about, do you need a short form landing page or a long form landing page? I know it's a really, really tough question, but try to think a little about it and introduce yourself in the Facebook group. See you tomorrow.